How can they rescue? I don't know what they are looking for.
Is it a rescue operation or not? Or are they just saying hello?
Now there's a guy with orange jacket is dropping down there. Now the helicopter is going away.
Anyway, let's go.
Now they just drop a rescue guy. Perhaps he's helping the injured person. Perhaps people were climbing there, then got injured. How can they see?
I don't understand why is it the helicopter in the air? Why is it not either going?
Now the helicopter down. They will reach the secure person in the edge. Yeah, I think how can they will hook them up?
It would be nice to see them going down.
Yeah, we'll soon. I can see the hook is already down. They are reaching the hook now. They cannot. The hook go up again. Now hook is go down. Up! The rescue guy is going up. But there are one people still on the bottom. One person still on the bottom. The two people are going away. There is still a person in the bottom. Perhaps she's not injured.